Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on product listing and search result pages. If you haven't seen the last tutorial, I have just put in TP link through the search bar. Hide out of stock with the filter options, and sorted by price, low to high, and it's brought me to this product as the first recommendation. Here's what you'll typically find on a product listing page: an image of the product, the name of the product, the SKU, which is the unique identifying number of the product. For example, if I already know the SKU 67913, I can simply enter it in the search bar to locate the exact product. You'll also see quantity available, in this case, 3. Quantity discounts available. We'll talk more about that later in a different tutorial. The price of the product. You'll notice an option to add the product to your favorites. Favorites allow you to easily save and organize your most frequently used or popular products for quick access. By adding items to your favorites, you can create a convenient list of products you're considering but haven't yet decided to purchase. Additionally, you can create a collection of items you buy regularly, making it simple to return and quickly add them to your cart whenever needed. This feature streamlines your shopping experience, saving you time and effort. In this tutorial, I'm going to add the product to my list. As you can see, I already have an Add to Favorites option. I've created lists like this demo favorites list, and I can add the product to any of these existing lists. Or I can create a new one. You can also add products to your cart using the button provided. For example, if I add another product, it will notify me at the bottom of the page, and it will also appear in my cart with the price of the selected quantity. To adjust quantities, you can use the plus button to increase the number of items, use the minus button to decrease it, or type in the quantity manually. For instance, if I want to buy more products, I can type in a number. Let's say there are 3 items available, and I type in 2. After adding to the cart, you'll see that 2 items have been added, leaving 1 in stock. You'll also notice the cart updates with the number of items and their total price in the header. This is how you use the product listing and search results pages. Please watch our next tutorial where we'll explore product pages and more.